resume के बारे में था कि you have to be very much precise about the the content that is there. So first of all, I had good projects. So I had around 3 to 4 projects out there, my personal projects, not my company projects. So I had like in my other companies, I had to take ownership of all the things. Like it was not like I just took a single part out there, but it was like you have to do in all the cases that is there. Means you were starting from requirement gathering towards completion to the customers. So that actually affects. So the like I'll say I was fortunate enough to have good projects. So good projects is one of the best thing, one of the good thing you can have in the resume. So if your company, you are getting good company project, that's like well and good. If you're not getting, so you have to take the lead, that you have to build some your personal projects that will be stand out. So mostly for experienced candidate, they do not actually see the like personal project. They actually directly go to the company project, that you have what I have done, what you have done, and properly you have to mention what you have done and what kind of thing you have used, what you have learned. So this kind of thing, like you have to use few keywords as well. That like keywords meaning like for design parts, maybe you learned this design, you learned this kind of structure, so you have to mention there. So that's the kind of thing, like they want to understand what you have done in the previous company. Is it relevant to the current job? Current job means the SG to standard. For example, can you design the system, can you write the code modularly? So all these things will be judged. So getting a proper project actually matters the most. So they will not asking how much ranking I have. They are not never asking that much. So how much they are asking about, how good project I have done, how good I could actually collaborate with my team. So that's the thing actually that matter in the long term.
ओके, मैं बात करूँ, यानी आपको एक टिप्स देना हो फ्रेशर को, तो क्या टिप्स दोगे आप मिसो के लिए?
So I'll say not only from issue. So for fresher, I'll say on like I have to build good projects. So in my college, so the I hope for many not for IIT or on like apart from these colleges, the projects are not maybe not that much good. If anyone get is good, anyone is getting good project, it's like better, it's fine. But like mainly many project, many fourth year project or thing is not that much good. So one reference or one suggestion is like build a good project. So I started building project from third year or fourth year. So good project builds the resume, enhances the resume. So even if you do not have a good company project, that you are being part of some team or being part of some project in a minimal way, but you can still showcase I have done this project. So they want to see your intent, that अगर आपको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा करने को, but how you're reacting to it. So you are learning on your own, how you are learning, how you will be modifying yourself and actually like uplifting yourself in day by day. So they'll see. So that's the kind of strategy and that's the kind of motivation they will have to have in their daily life. So not only company, or even if they're fresher, not only you're relying on the college project and all, they have to build something their own. So may it be a Android development, may it be web development, may it be a kind of any backend stack, anything, that doesn't matter. But they have to build something. That's the thing. So they can be competitive programming. That's not a problem. Like I have huge respect for competitive programmer. Like that's not a problem. But they should, if they can, showcase some project. Okay, I have built this project. That puts a lot of weightage there. So they'll see, okay, this guy has built this much one, so he can be capable of working in a team and he can build something on the team.